Back in the 1980s, a few machines quietly pushed performance far beyond what anyone expected from factory-built cars. They didn't rely on hype or flashy marketing, yet they delivered speed that surprised even serious enthusiasts. Over time, many of these cars disappeared from the spotlight, becoming rare pieces of automotive history. Today, they're no longer overlooked. They're the ones collectors are desperately trying to find. 10. 1987 Buick GNX. Dark, aggressive, and surrounded by mystery, this machine didn't just enter the muscle car scene, it quietly took over it without asking for attention. Unlike typical 80s performance cars that relied on flashy designs, the GNX focused on delivering serious performance in a stealthy package. It looked clean and understated, but those who understood what it was knew it wasn't something to take lightly. What really made it special was how it delivered its power. Instead of relying on a large, naturally aspirated engine, it used a turbocharged setup that completely changed the driving experience. The acceleration felt sudden and forceful, catching drivers off guard in the best way possible. Under the hood sat a 3.8-liter turbocharged V6 engine, producing an underrated 276 horsepower and a massive 360 pound-feet of torque. Though many believed the real numbers were even higher. It could launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.7 seconds, making it one of the quickest cars of its era. Weighing approximately 3,545 pounds, the GNX combined its power with a well-tuned suspension and rear-wheel drive setup, giving it strong traction and stability under hard acceleration. Often called the Black Beast, its all-black appearance, aggressive stance, and subtle styling made it instantly recognizable without being overly loud. It didn't need bright colors or exaggerated lines. Its presence alone was enough. From an enthusiast point of view, this car represents a turning point in muscle car history. It proved that turbocharging could compete with, and even outperform, traditional V8 setups in real-world performance. Driving it feels intense and unpredictable, with turbo boost kicking in suddenly and pushing you back into your seat. It's not just fast, it's exciting in a way that feels raw and mechanical. 9. 1989 Pontiac Trans Am. Rarely does a celebration model outperform everything around it. But this machine didn't just mark an anniversary, it redefined expectations with performance that shocked even hardcore enthusiasts. Built to celebrate 2 decades of Trans Am legacy, this special edition wasn't about cosmetic upgrades alone. Underneath its clean white exterior was a serious performance setup that turned it into one of the quickest American cars of its time, quietly outperforming many rivals without making a big scene. Instead of using a traditional V8, it borrowed advanced engineering from an unexpected source, bringing in turbocharged technology that transformed how the car delivered power. The result was a driving experience that felt smooth at first, then suddenly explosive when pushed harder. Under the hood, it featured a 3.8-liter turbocharged V6 engine, producing around 250 horsepower and delivering a strong 340 pound-feet of torque, giving it impressive real-world performance. It could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.6 seconds, placing it firmly among the fastest production cars of its era. With a weight of approximately 3,600 pounds, the car balanced power with control, allowing it to maintain stability even under aggressive acceleration. This combination made it not just quick in a straight line, but also confident on the road, often referred to as the Turbo Anniversary Legend. Its distinct styling, white paint, and unique badging made it instantly recognizable to those who knew its story. It wasn't flashy in the usual sense, but it carried a quiet confidence that made it stand out. From an enthusiast's perspective, this car represents a moment when innovation met tradition. It proved that performance wasn't limited to big engines, but could also come from smart engineering and forced induction. Behind the wheel, the experience feels controlled yet thrilling. The turbo builds power smoothly